Hi guys, it's Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my go-to makeup routine for Zoom video calls, and this is also my go-to routine for whenever I do IG lives or when I have to record IG stories. Basically, whenever I have to be in front of the camera this quarantine. And in this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you my favorite beauty discovery during this quarantine. These are products from Belo. This is the Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen, and this is the Belo Baby Talc-Free Powder. And it comes in a bundle. You can buy it on Shopee, but I will be giving away 3 bundles. So if you're interested to know the details of the giveaway, and if you're interested to see how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching until the end of this video. I'm gonna start out with my base. I'm going to use the Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen. It has SPF 50 PA+++++. And as you can see, it has a nude color and it adapts to your skin tone. So, hindi ka kailangan mag-worry if you're gonna look white or too ashy or hindi pantay sa skin tone mo because it does adjust to your skin tone. And it does have decent coverage, so I would say that this is the best foundation substitute that you can find on the Philippine market. And it's so easily available. It's available online, it's available in physical stores, in the drugstores. So I also want to emphasize the importance of wearing sunscreen kahit nasa loob tayo ng bahay. Natatamaan pa rin tayo ng araw kahit nasa loob tayo ng kwarto through our windows. And even when we're indoors, natatamaan din tayo ng mga ilaw. So we need broad spectrum protection, and it's 2-in-1. First of all, it's a foundation substitute that will make your complexion look brighter and more even. And second, it has that sun protection and it works as a sunscreen. Next, I'm just applying concealer. I usually concentrate the concealer sa middle part ng face ko kasi yun yung area na kailangan pinaka-bright. I've been using this Belo Baby Talc-Free Powder with the Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen. They're my go-to combo. I think that with any makeup look, ang pinaka-importante is what you put sa start ng makeup routine mo. And for me, that's the foundation and the setting powder. So I use these two together and sobrang foolproof niya for any occasion. So right now, it's on sale sa Shopee ng Belo Essentials. For a limited time, you can get the full-size Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen and get a free Belo Baby Talc-Free Powder with it. So you're saving over 200 pesos and super sulit niya. For brows, I just want them to look neat and clean and well-shaped. So, I have really thick eyebrows, pero medyo magulo siya, so kailangan ko pa rin sila ayusin. I use a brow pencil to shape it and to fill in the sparse areas. And then afterwards, I use a clear brow gel to set it in place para hindi siya magulo. So, I just want to look neat in front of the camera. Next step is bronzer, and I really believe that bronzer can change your face. I always put on bronzer whenever I have to go on video calls or pag mag-film ako kasi it adds dimension to my face and it also makes my face look a bit smaller and mas may shape yung face ko. So, if you want to contour and have a warmer skin tone at the same time, yung magmukha kang may tan, you can use a bronzer and it will add dimension to your face para hindi ka mukhang flat when you go on your Zoom video calls. So, to add color to my face, I'm going to be doing a monochromatic look. Meaning, isang product lang and isang shade yung gagamitin ko for my eyeshadow, for my blush, and for my lippy. So, I'm just gonna use this lip tint to color my face. And this is a great way for you to look fresh in an instant. I recommend those who go on video calls to still put on eyeshadow and blush because it really adds freshness and dimension to your face. So, hindi lang flat color ng face mo. So lastly, I'm just going to be putting on highlighter, and I like putting on highlighter even when I'm on camera because I see the difference. I look more glowy and I look more fresh, so I like using a natural shade for my highlighter para mukhang natural glow from within lang siya. So for the giveaway mechanics, it's really easy. I'm gonna be putting it on the description box below. All you have to do is subscribe to me on YouTube, like this video, follow me on Instagram, and then like the video about my go-to makeup routine for Zoom video calls on IGTV. Comment hashtag foundation substitute and hashtag Belo SunExpert Tinted Sunscreen. Make sure to follow at Belo SunExpert for your entry to be valid. So that's all you have to do, and 3 lucky winners will be announced on July 20. And that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.